Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with an amazing DIY, and that is DIY lipstick using your old lipstick that you don't really use or your leftover lipstick. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need these 4 things to make your DIY lipstick. First one is Vaseline, and then empty container in which you want to store your lipstick and your old lipstick or lipstick that you want to use, and a vitamin E capsule. So yeah, now you have to take a bowl and you have to take 1 or half tablespoon of Vaseline according to amount of lipstick you want to make, and then you need your lipstick and 1 vitamin E capsule. So yeah, as you can see, I have taken half tablespoon of Vaseline. Now I'll add 1 vitamin E capsule in it.
Vitamin E helps in healing dry and chapped lips. That's why we are using it.
Now I am using this lipstick from which I have already taken out this amount. I'm gonna add this amount to this bowl and then I'm gonna melt it.
Now, as you can see, I am melting it through double boiler process, and I will melt it till it will get melted properly. And after melting it, you have to put it in your empty container in which you want to store your lipstick, and then you have to leave it in fridge for 30 minutes so that it comes into proper texture of the lipstick that you want. So yeah, let's just wait.
Now I have taken it out of fridge and you can see its texture. Now it is very light because I used a glossy lipstick, so it's more like glossy lip balm. Also tried this DIY lipstick using a bullet lipstick, and it's really awesome. Now you can see its texture, it is so smooth, and you can see it's glossy also. It is glossy because I used Vaseline, so yeah, and also its color pigmentation gets lighter when you use Vaseline in it, because Vaseline in itself is a lip balm. So yeah, I will show you its texture also. See, it's very smooth. So this one. Now you can use this also as a lipstick or lip balm as you like to use it. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.